Hi, Morgan here for Onefinity, and today I'm going to show you how I made this miter folded box on my Journeyman CNC with just this little V-bit and a dream. You might be thinking to yourself, big deal, it's just a box, who cares? Well, first of all, don't be rude. Second of all, it's miter folded. And if you don't know what miter folding is, it's basically cutting all sides of your workpiece to size out of one large piece with miter joints all at the same time. Yeah, this is a really basic example, but it demonstrates how your CNC can save you time and give you accurate cuts with perfect miters. Say you need to batch out a bunch of boxes or trays for a larger project. This is the way to do it. So here's how you set it up. As with any CNC project, you first need to know the exact thickness of your material. It's especially important for miter folds because we're going to intentionally cut just a little bit shallow. I put tape on the underside along the center of the joints to keep the parts together. Since I only have a 1/4 inch 90-degree V-bit, obviously I won't be able to cut these joints in a single pass. Then I'll move up and outward from the center by 1/8 of an inch for each subsequent pass to match the angle of the bit. For this material, I had to move up and over by 1/8 of an inch 3 times on each side of the center line for that angle to reach up to the top of the material. After all the miters were cut, all I had to do was cut my parts out and separate them from the main piece. There are waste pieces at each corner, which I just sliced off with a utility knife. Then just apply some glue to the joints, fold the parts together, and clamp it up. Some people like to use painter's tape, which is fine. I just prefer clamps. After the glue's dry, unclamp your box and give it a little sanding. You'll notice that the grain is continuous as it runs around these corners, which I think is a nice look. Again, this isn't all that fancy or difficult. I just think it's a neat trick for the CNC. So, for more tricks for your CNC, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. And that's it for me. I hope this was helpful, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. It'll be good.